Hello my little friends. Welcome to my channel, Box Full of Stories and Knowledge. Today I am going to present a narrative essay. My first day at a new school. At the end of my 5th standard, our family shifted to a new house in a different area. Therefore, it became necessary for me to change my school as the distance was becoming too much and the school bus services were not available in the new area. My 5th standard results were good, so I had no difficulty in getting admission to the new school. As it was my very first day at a new school, I had no books. Therefore, I carried only a notebook and pencil with me. I felt completely lost in the midst of new faces and unfamiliar surroundings. I did not know where to go, where my class was, and where to stand in the assembly hall. I missed my old school and friends terribly. Frankly, I was in tears but put up a brave front as I was too old to cry. But the teachers were nice and guided me and tried to make me feel as comfortable as possible. Once in my new class, I found an insignificant corner and sat down. Soon, the class teacher came in, and after we wished her, she began to take attendance. My name was the last one to be called, and immediately all heads turned towards me. It made me terribly self-conscious. She asked me something, but I was too nervous and fumbled with the answer, making the class erupt in laughter. But my class teacher quickly checked them and encouraged me to go on. The next day was mathematics, my favorite subject. A different teacher came in and engaged us with some mental maths. I answered a couple of questions and she was quite pleased with me, which helped me in improving my image in front of the class. The third period was free and we were allowed to keep ourselves busy and even talk in whispers. I began to make a few friends and even went down to the canteen with some of them during the break later. We had some language classes after the break when the teachers made some friendly conversation and gave us instructions and details about the future classes. Before I knew, the day was over and I trooped out with others after exchanging some pleasantries with my new friends. I thought to myself that the first day at the new school was not that bad after all. Hope this narrative essay will help you to prepare your own narrative essays. Thank you for watching the video.